Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I gotta be a white death. White death. As you can see, I'm holding a marksman weapon, and I'm gonna use it as the white death weapon. And I'm gonna headshot people, try to headshot people or kill people without a scope from far away. But first, I don't my reward. I don't get my reward for days. Okay, now let's get into it. I actually have a scope now, but I don't need it. Could wear it. I guess we need to skip. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now let's wait. Wait, why do you need to kill first? It's not the focus. Maybe? Crossfire map. Crossfire map is my favorite map. Actually. I guess we need to wait. Oh no, mind. It's already start. Let's wait people to join. Alright, got my weapon down.
Frontline.
This weapon? I can no scope right now. Let's do this. This is my cotton thing. Notification thing.
Taking the lead.
People just keep stole my kill. I just want to wait. No, wait up. Oh my! Just what? I've touched it from far away, by the way. Look.
Contact with enemy.
I forgot to crawl.
Targets in sight.
Right there. Oh my god, I got someone. And oh no, I missed.
Target down.
Light.
Sniper.
Almost had to take down the sniper. Oh, I got one.
Standby. UAV online.
I have one to kill them. I got one. Oh no. Take that.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Ready my trip mine?
Missile on standby. Sniper.
That's the sniper.
Get down, sniper.
Oh, da. I said, no.
Contact with
Oh,
enemy.
no, people. Yes. Yeet. Shoot.
Enemy contact.
Need to watch out people to get in.
Predator missile inbound.
Two people first, yeah. Well, we got them. One down. Need to watch out behind me. There's probably a bad stopper, bad shooter.
Targets in
Let's
sight.
see. BRB. I just died. What in the what? I just died.
Contact
I
with
hate
enemy.
this trip mine. This trip mine's the worst thing ever. That mine's really tricky. Oh no! Get away!
Target down.
Okay.
Sniper.
Double kill.
Tango down.
Oh, someone's already got it. Oh no! That guy over is.
Get down. Sniper.
He's using another skin, but it's a gold skin. What? I'm so confused. Look at that. Look. I'm so confused. Maybe Van actually. I guess that's for the video. Thanks for watching and see you guys later. Goodbye. And if you want to friend in Roblox, this is the name. not for the Pro Hunter. And if you want to friend me in COD, this is my user. Look here, you can see. You can see my name, and you can visit my profile. Okay, goodbye. Assalamualaikum for Muslim.